Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Marshall, Chase, Rubble, and Skye from Paw Patrol. Let's start with Marshall. First, I'll draw his small nose and his adorable eyes just like this. Next, I'll add his eyebrows and one of his front paws. Don't forget his floppy ears. Since Marshall is a Dalmatian pup, I'll add some cute spots on his ears like this. On his head, I'll draw his firefighter's hat. Marshall is the fire pup of Paw Patrol, so this hat is a must-have. Now, let's move on to Chase, the second character in today's video. I'll start with his bright eyes, followed by his nose like this. Then, I'll add his happy smile and one of his front paws. On top of his head, I'll draw a police hat with two tall ears sticking up. Chase is a German Shepherd and the brave police pup of the team. Next, I'll draw Rubble right next to Marshall. First, I'll sketch his nose and his kind-looking eyes. Then, I'll add his construction hat just like this. Rubble is not only strong and always ready to help, but he's also super funny. Let's give him a big, cheerful smile. Finally, I'll draw his front paw and his two ears. Finally, I'll draw Skye next to Chase. Skye is a skilled helicopter pilot with a big heart for little animals. Let's start with her sparkling eyes. Follow along with me. On her head, I'll add her aviator goggles, and then I'll sketch her fluffy ears. Now that we've finished drawing, it's time to color. For Marshall, I'll use red and gray to color his firefighter's hat. For Chase, I'll use dark blue for his police hat and add a little pink for some details. Oh, I almost forgot Marshall's eyes. Let's color them sky blue. For Chase's eyes, I'll use dark brown and color the other parts of his face with cream. For Rubble, I'll use yellow for his construction hat. Then, I'll use light brown and cream to color his face. Just follow along. For Skye, I'll use pink for her aviator goggles and her bright eyes. I'll use brown to color the area around her eyes and her soft ears, then finish the rest of her face with cream. Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing adventures. See you in the next video. Goodbye!